Hello everyone, welcome you all. Now we are going to see the syllabus, book list and strategy of Mathematics Mains Optional with respect to the UPSC. Let us begin with the syllabus first. See, before starting your preparation, one has to go through the syllabus completely so that one can able to identify what are the contents present in it. Also, easy to cover all the contents present in it so that let us begin with the paper 1. See, the paper 1 has a linear algebra, calculus, analytical geometry, ordinary differential equation and dynamic and statics and then vector analysis. The paper 2 has abstract algebra, real analysis, complex analysis, linear programming, partial differential equations, numerical analysis and computer programming, and then finally mechanics and fluid dynamics. So this is the overall syllabus with respect to the mathematics. Let us see the book list for paper 1. See, the paper 1 is much easier when compared to paper 2. So that one has to focus more on paper 1 and also much more on paper 2. Let us see the complete book list with respect to the linear algebra. So this is the complete book list with respect to the linear algebra. Shom's outline on linear algebra, Krishna's series on matrices, in addition with the additional, that is linear algebra, that is Hofmann and Kunz with respect to the Pearson publications. See, this Shom's outline on linear algebra is very important book. Let us see why it is very important book. Since this book explains the linear algebra in a far better way and also simpler manner than the Krishna series. Also note that it can be read quickly also. Therefore, focus on this book and then Krishna series on matrices, and then in addition with, if you have time, just use this book also with respect to linear algebra, and then with respect to calculus, use this book alone. Krishna series on differential calculus, Krishna series on integral calculus, and the mathematical analysis by Maulik and Arora. This book is very important. The must read book for both paper 1 and paper 2. So you cannot skip this book. So this is the book list related to the calculus. And then we are moving with the analytical geometry. So I am giving you the book list. So this is the complete book list on analytical geometry. That is Krishna series on analytical geometry, Krishna series on analytical solid geometry also. Focus on very important topics like conicoids and generating lines also. See here, this book is better than Shanti Narayanan and also many solved problems. So kindly go with the Krishna series with respect to analytical geometry. And then with respect to ordinary differential equation, use these two books. Ordinary differential equation by M.D. Raj Singhania and then advanced differential equations by M.D. Raj Singhania required. And also note that Laplace transform for paper 1 and also boundary values problems with respect to paper 2. So this is with respect to the ordinary differential equation. So and then with respect to the dynamics and statics, so kindly go through these two books. These two books is very enough during your self preparations. And also note that Krishna series on statics and Krishna series on dynamics. These two books are very important books. So kindly note down about these two books also. And then with respect to vector analysis, use these two books, Krishna series on vector calculus and Shom's outline on vector analysis. So this is the overall book list with respect to the paper 1. So let us see the strategy for paper 1. See, the paper 1 is being easy compared to the paper 2. All the topics have to be covered in detail. And also note that, see, for analytical geometry, read all the solved problems given in the above mentioned books. So that is very important. And also regularly revise particularly skew lines, sphere, cone and conicoids. In many problems, you would have to remember how to start the problem, which means you would have to mug up the approach to solve the specific problems. With respect to calculus, focus more on variables, that is calculus many variables. And though note that, so this is well covered in Maulik and Arora. And also note, many topics of paper 1 and paper 2 overlaps. So kindly note down these things, and also note that which can be prepared simultaneously from the book mentioned above, that is Maulik and Arora and Krishna series also. With respect to static and dynamics, try to solve all the problems. You can leave very complex problems which are usually given at the end of every chapter. So kindly note down those things, and also note that practice makes perfect. So try to solve the problems with a pen and paper with a closed book instead of just reading. So that is the trick to clear this paper 1 very simple manner. So let us see the paper 2 book list and strategy also. So with respect to abstract algebra, see, this is the book list with respect to abstract algebra. Group theory by R. Kumar, that is Vardhaman publications, and then ring theory by R. Kumar, so same publication, and also abstract algebra by Joseph Gallin, that is optional. You can either use this book after completing the first 2 books. And also note that this is the very important chapter also, so kindly note down and also refer more things, more important things with respect to abstract algebra. And also note that you can use this Joseph Gallin optional, so remember those things. So let us move on with the real analysis. So this is the complete book with respect to the real analysis, that is mathematic analysis by Maulik and Arora, and then real analysis by MD Rajas Singhania. So these 2 books are important with respect to real analysis. And then with respect to complex number, that is complex analysis, use Krishna series. With respect to the linear programming, just use operational research by J.K. Sharma or Kandi Swarup or Krishna Sirip. Either use one book with respect to operational series. If you can, then use all the books also. With respect to partial differential equation, so kindly use these books: ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation by MD Rajasinghania, and then engineering max by Grewal for boundary value problems, and also advanced differential equation by MD Rajasinghania for boundary value problems. So let us move on with numerical analysis and computing programming. So this is the complete book list. See, the numerical method by Jain and Iyengar, that is very important, but those days the questions are not coming from this book from the past few years. And also note that the numerical analysis chapter from Grewal, that is engineering mathematics. So this is an important book. And also one has to know algorithm and flowcharts also. So you can use computer based numerical and statistical techniques by M. Goyal, and also for computer programming, digital logic and computer design by M. Maurice Mano. So these are the book list with respect to the numerical methods. And then with respect to mechanics and fluid dynamics, that is these 2 books, Fluid Dynamics by MD Rajasinghania and then Krishna series. These books is very important books. Also let us see the strategy for paper 2. See, the paper 2 is much tough for many aspirants, and also note that if you are able to master in it, then you will able to score very high compared to the other optional papers. So here let us see. So this is the detailed strategy for paper 2. Kindly go through this. I am just giving you kindly this. You can go through this completely. I am not going to explain this. So kindly go through the strategy here. I am giving you the strategy specifically for the paper 2 year. So kindly note down these things. So this is the continuation of the strategy. So kindly go through all the points presented here so that one can able to crack this mathematical optional paper. And also there is a lot of question arises. Who can take this max as a optional? That is very important. See, I personally feel that who are very strong in mathematics and have the genuine interest should take this mathematics as a optional. And also note that this mathematics requires aptitude. And also here one has to know that there is a huge competition with respect to mathematics optional also. And also I have seen many people who take max in and then they are wasting their attempt, later change their optionals. And also there is a myth that only the IITians and the BITS or NIT only can take this max. No. See, if you are a very strong in mathematics, then you can go with mathematics as your mains optional, irrespective of IITians, BITS or NITs. If you are confident on yours, and then you can go with this. Okay. Also, this is the it has the large huge syllabus also, but very important. I don't think any coaching institute will be able to fully cover all the topics, so that use these books as much as possible and then practice those books as much as possible to crack your mains optional and score maximum marks with respect to the UPSC exam. With this, I'm concluding this session. Thank you all. We will meet in the next session.